I know, I said TR4, but it didn't work out. I just put the speedometer back in here. I adjusted the idle screws a little bit, and I changed the timing. You know, all that stuff we all know about. So let's take her for a little go ride here and see how it goes. Let's see how she starts. You know, I watched them put a kit in to lose this vent glass vent. And who'd want to do that and put a one-piece window in? I don't know. I guess that's a popular kit on later ones, but that's one of my favorite things about the little old girl here. I had to do a little welding up there and stuff, but there she is. I love her. Let's just open the vents today. The cowling vents. Okay, we're atomic batteries to power here. Wreck of the old 97's playing in the background. I always think of mixed Lexus. Okay, there's fuel pump. Don't have to worry about that so much, but I still do it just to force a habit. Okay, let's give her a couple of taps. Well, that was pretty good there for a second. I ordered some filters for the Bonneville, oil filter and a filter for this one today. Let's let her, at least she's still starting good. I changed it about 2 degrees because I got a little bit of ping, and I put some 93 octane in her, but I just would feel better if I just didn't have any ping at all. So I just kind of gave it a little bit. And where I go, you can only get 87 or 93, but some places have 89. So I probably will just go to that. I know, but she's been good. She deserves it. Okay, well let's back her out. Wow, I can't get over old Daff here, just working to beat the band. There's my little master's cloth. All right, let's get those sunglasses on. Ooh, I think I just got a delivery. Y'all won't believe what I got. I ordered today. Crazy. Oh, I can't put them in these silly overalls. These are the ones with the small pockets. Alright. Well, let's see how she does. Get her warmed up here. What's running? I think I can just hear the distributor going. Oh my gosh, it's just unreal. Even sick, I was able to cut the grass. You gotta cut the grass. It ain't too hard to do. Yeah, I can tell she's fine. Let's go up on this hill. Well, is that working pretty good too? Well, it's not screaming. We're not gonna go far. So if you turn right out of here, you go uphill, and of course if you turn left out of here, you go downhill. So we'll see if she's gonna ping. Yeah, I checked on my idle screws, and they were like an inch of turn and a half, a little less out. So I took them up to like 2, and I gave them another half turn. Because I learned that on the Bonneville, because she was running lean on idle. Okay, all right, let's see what we do here. Yeah, no ping. Look at that. That looks kind of almost accurate. What did I do? There's one coming. Yeah, she's better. Yeah, I put 70 miles on her, but oh yeah, baby. Okay, another test drive at Daff. Dang, I think that's pretty accurate. Look how smooth it is. Well, I'll take that. That probably ain't accurate, but I'm not gonna do anything to figure it out. Anybody behind me? No. Oh, turn signal on. Okay, nice little ride. She's just perfect. Alright, I gotta get the tractor out, so I'm gonna leave her out for a little bit. I want to see how she kind of starts up. She's not exactly hot. It's not a hot day. Just like Mick said this morning, it's like somebody flipped a switch and made it nice. Nicer. Alright, well, let's do something else. Alright, so I got some spare parts for the old girl here. See, I got my an amplifier for the distributor. It's an HEI distributor. There's those extra parts out of the speedometer. Here's an ignition coil, kind of a backup coil. And I got one of these gigantic distributor caps. Just trust me, it's an HEI distributor cap. And we're gonna put it back here. And then I got extra ignition parts in case she wants to have a problem with something. There's my fly swatter. You have to have fly swatter. All right, good. I got extra parts. And put her back up in the barn. Yeah. What's that? Oh, just a piece of burnt wood. All right. All right. All right. Let's see how she starts now. And wow. It's like Devil's old Falcon, ain't it? All right. We're going to use the tailgate here to do this patina mess stuff. I've never done that before. I kind of always wanted to. But, alright, that ought to be just fine right there. Well, she gets an A for the day. There's no doubt about that. Alright. Okay. Let's go do some artwork. I'm the artsy kind of type. I need to put on my road vest there to do artwork.